When I think about IT staff today and IT personnel, it's very different than it was 20 years ago or 30 years ago. We don't have all the certifications and the professional training in IT as we did in the past. And now many IT organizations, their IT staff wear multiple hats. And it's impossible to be an expert on everything or know everything about everything. When we think about upskilling our staff today, we need to be able to provide them knowledge at their fingertips to be able to solve those unknown issues or those unknown problems. Before, we used to have to go out and Google or research a problem, look at 50 different web pages and being able to start trying to figure out what the solution is. With SysTrack, we take these symptoms that we're seeing on the devices and we feed that into our intelligence support, which then tells the agent or the IT staff exactly what the problem is, why they care, and what it is that they should do to fix the problem. So it dramatically improves the learning curve of not only our IT staff, but also dramatically reduces the mean time to resolution because we're not spending the hours of Googling, researching on several different web pages, trying to identify and figure out what the answer is. Part of our intelligence support is being able to use natural language and being able to interact with it like a chatbot and be able to ask additional questions and upskill the IT staff. Moreover, there are times when we're doing root cause that we need to ask additional questions. And we don't want to interrupt the user and ask them the 20 questions. So using our natural language queries, we're able to ask the device a bunch of questions to get further information from it or all of the devices at the same time to be able to start doing root cause and identifying common issues across all devices. When we think about endpoint data that drives anomaly detection, you need high amounts of data. With SysTrack, we're collecting 10,000 different data points every 15 seconds. That is a big differentiator from us and other solutions. If you're collecting a couple hundred data points and you're doing that every 5 or 10 minutes, think about everything that can be missed. Think about your own laptop or your own device. What can happen in 5 or 10 minutes? How many applications can crash? How could your performance be degraded over that time period? And if you're not collecting that data at a high frequency, that event is completely missed. Therefore, how can your anomaly detection or your machine learning be accurate? Your AI and your ML is only going to be as good as your data and the frequency of the data that you collect. And if you don't have that visibility, you're only guessing and you're filling in the gaps.